Okay.
Yes!
Where is it?
It can bounce. It can bounce. How the fuck? Look at that shit. All right, we'll give him a half a shot for that one.
No, he missed.
No, I think that counts, Mike.
He counts.
Oh, there we go. Going. Coming up. Tyler up. Says keep on ice. That was pretty neat. Matt wouldn't know. Yeah. No, you're missing Matt. Somehow I don't think you're the winner, Matt. Maybe tonight you'll think you're the winner. You know, so we're all puking, you know.
Off the dribble.
Oh,
rim job.
So basically, Matt 2, everyone else 0.
We go one more round?
It's a double?
Easy for you to say.
Yay!
Off the tent.
That was quick and easy.
All right, next.